Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from GCash to your bank account step by step. First, open the GCash app and make sure your account is verified. Tap Bank Transfer to start the withdrawal. Next, select the bank you want to transfer your money to. If you don't see your bank, tap View All to see the complete list of partner banks. After selecting your bank, enter the amount, the account name, the account number, and your email address if you want a receipt. The maximum you can transfer at one time is 50,000 pesos. Tap Send Money when ready. Review your transaction details carefully and make sure the account name and number are correct. Then tap Confirm to complete the withdrawal. Once done, you will receive a text confirmation and an email receipt if provided. The transfer is usually instant, but if the money hasn't arrived within 24 hours, contact your bank with the ticket number to check the status. After the money is in your bank account, you can withdraw it via ATM or over the counter. Make sure to log into your online banking to confirm the funds have arrived before attempting to withdraw. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from GCash to your bank account. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.